Hello guys, thanks for the opportunity to show my product in your program. Today I am going to explain what is my product. My name is Edgar Andres Martinez Brand. I am a student of systems engineering and I am going to explain that. Please continue watching. Okay, according with that, I'm going to explain what is my product. My product is an Alfred lunch box with color. What is the difference of this lunch box to other lunch box? This lunch box works with high technology to make a temperature that you need to keep your food or your things that need a specific temperature. For example, if you have food that needs to keep in cold ambient cold, you can put the food into the lunchbox, and this one works make the ambient perfect to the food. And for example, if you want to put things that need to keep in high temperatures, you can choose the temperature in the lunchbox, and this works very fine. Okay, this is a great opportunity to get benefits, but first you need to invest in me. In this product can be commercialized in other markets, not only in this market or in commercial market. You can put this product in, for example, in the medical market. We can make in the future some box to keep organs, or for example to keep some medical samples. The idea is expand our market to other frontiers, to other fronts. We can put this box in the military market, in the toys market, or in different places, but the idea is innovative. Okay, what are the terms? The terms are, in first time you can be my sponsor, but you need to invest in money to produce 10,000 of this lunchbox. The idea when the sales comes to 4,500. The idea is that with the rest of the box, you can earn the rest of the box, but the first sales of the first 4,500 is that the 45% of the earns is mine, and the rest is you. Please remember that this innovation is very useful to other people, and this, in the first time, this product is enfocated to for example to officers, to students, to workers who wants to conserve his food to eat in the lunch. But the idea in the future is expand our market to other fronts. Thanks for watching, and remember that this innovation is important to different markets, and please choose me.